Good morning, everybody. We are out here for day 3 in Texas, and we are actually out on the same pond as we were on day 1. Like I said in that day 1 video, water is really low, so pretty much every public land area we've checked has just not had huntable numbers of birds. So Drew came and scouted this area yesterday evening, said it was just as many wigeon bouncing between this pond and the wheat field they've been feeding in. So we've got pretty much the same setup as day 1. We did move a little bit further out towards the point, just kind of like 10 yards to the left of where we were, just because some of the early flocks were landing out off that point. So hoping if they do that again, we'll be able to get some shots on them. And then we don't have any wind today. So got the motion duck set up with 7 of the final approach wigeon on it. Got a few other final approach wigeon, gadwalls, and pintails out, but not a big spread, like a dozen and a half, 2 dozen. I am going to be shooting my 28 gauge this morning. I'm really excited for that. I've only ever shot it at teal before down in North Carolina this September. So breaking that out this morning, hoping we can get some of these wigeon and maybe some gadwall, pintails, or whatever else in close.
Everybody loaded?
Yep.
Kill these?
Yep, might as well. Good shot.
Sorry, ring, I had to finish that one.
No, you're good.
Hit a little bit, wasn't it?
Yeah, I hit it. I didn't kill it.
Come here. Come here. He's gonna keep jumping over that shit instead of going on here. Sit down. Sit. Yeah, you can shoot that one. Shoot right there.
Hey, don't.
Nothing else is flying. I was shooting.
Do we have birds or not?
We should shoot if you got one last chance. If you're gonna shoot it, you might as well shoot it now. Good shot. Come in.
He's still alive. He's still alive.
Yeah.
Yep. Just not enough on the water. That was.
And that was a little bit of a poke for that thing.
Yeah.
If anything, it's running out of gas. Kill these. I shot right after it dropped.
You can take it, Drew. That was a nice drake there. Oh, big group.
Yeah, he was in a little bite on him.
Yeah, there's a pair also. Good boy. Good. Yep.
Everybody's on one then, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, right here. Wade. We got 2 on the left. Might spin. Y'all want to kill the 2 and we'll kill
these 2. Kill.
Watch that 3rd one. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him.
Yeah, he's gonna die then.
Yep. Unless he just went down because he was scared. Did y'all kill any out front?
I killed that one over there. Alright, whose drake is this?
I'll take one. I feel like I got at least one out of that. What?
Right over top, come from behind. A little high.
Oh wow. Some birds coming. Yeah, these ones are gonna come back around. They probably see that dead one.
Got a single coming real good. And one behind it. Wait, there's one behind it. Kill these 2.
Wait.
Yeah, 2.
Here.
And
That one. You want to double tap this one? 3,
I got
2, 1. That hen just went back down.
Okay.
Fast and furious action so far. We're probably only 15 minutes in and big groups of widgeon already dumping in. This one sailed back probably 150 yards, but stone dead. So I'm on 3 birds. I think everybody's got at least a couple, and seems like more birds flying early this morning, so gotta go get back in.
Alright, I'll claim the one being swatted, so that's 2 for me.
All right, I'll be on 3.
So one of these is Drew's.
I guess. How many do y'all have down there so far?
One's got 2, and I guess I'm on 1. And the next bird is yours. So is this your second one he's bringing in, Nolan?
That one, yeah.
And there's another one still out there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's,
So is that Drew?
yeah. Well, that's the one that you and Drew weren't sure on.
Okay, well then that's Drew, yeah.
There we go. Shoot, kill it.
Yeah, just let me film it. That's crazy, they quack.
Yeah.
Little hen widgeon. Live decoys, so let her stick around in the spread and see if she brings her buddies back.
You hear them getting up?
Good boy.
That's a pretty good looking one.
That's a very good looking one. Drake. Someone kill it.
Somebody should have killed him right there.
Yep.
That's all right.
Yep, he's getting a drink right now. He's got an awesome looking head on him. Getting another drink. Here we go, 2 right here. Kill him.
Come here.
Kill that one, Nolan. You get it?
Come here.
Oh,
Hold on.
I thought you were gonna kill that other one.
Okay.
And it was a him.
Uh-huh.
They come in from-
big group out front.
Yep.
Going over the top. Copy it. Good shot. Get this right in front of you. Oh, he's going away. Sorry.
I'm trying not to shoot home.
I guess y'all couldn't see them. They were like real perfect right here, and I just knew Wade was about to
Yeah,
jump
I
out.
didn't
So
want to shoot.
Yeah, they're right over top. We had to
Well,
get the.
I felt like we had to shoot. them.
Oh, did we kill 3?
Yeah. Everybody.
Uh,
Here comes another big group.
Yeah.
Who was this one that he got
Another big
first?
group.
another big one, yep. Let's.
Then I got that.
Oh, you're gonna need to get, yeah, we need to get hid. Them ones were seeing us a little. God damn.
Leave it. Leave. Two. You gotta come right behind us. You can pop up and shoot them behind me. I got a bunch right here. Leave.
Oh, here.
Y'all better kill him right there.
Nah, let them circle.
Hit him 5 or 20 yards.
They're gonna circle. Here we go. Now they're kind of far.
Should have taken him on that first one.
Nah, that was.
Kill these. Had him at first.
Nope. Man, some nice drakes in there too. They're thirsty. Wade is ready. Is he coming?
Oh, here comes a single.
Oh yeah.
Where at?
Straight out of it.
I don't see him.
Me neither.
So are you shooting
Oh yeah, I see him.
this one, Drew? You hit him with your at least your first shot and maybe your second. You got a live decoy.
Yeah, but if we get them finishing, then it makes it a lot tougher.
We may have to like spin and shoot them again. I'll keep an eye on them. Kind of working that back tank.
Yep.
Good shooting, boys.
You want to hit that one again for me over there?
I got a pretty decent looking drake right here.
I'm not shooting.
Who shot the hen over here?
There's a hen?
Yeah, I think it's a hen.
Oh.
Who shot that one?
I didn't think I hit any. I was pretty confident I've whiffed 3 times.
I know I only got one because I only shot one.
My bad. Good boy.
No. Oh, well, that was nice.
Yeah, they did it good. Maybe need to hit the ballard call a little more.
Yeah, they might want that.
I mean, it doesn't sound that different from the widgeon hens we hear quacking. No lack of duck poop along this bank, as you can see. Unfortunately, we don't have any full bodies or silos, but oh, leave it. Good boy. What, teal?
Yeah, they're not widgeon.
Yeah, I got it from him.
Good shot. As I say, we got to do it now. We're going to do it. Look like they're going to try to land.
Chase's been getting after me too much for not shooting, so I decided to shoot.
Oh, wow. Huh. Yep, something got themselves a blue heron. Wild.
What the hell would catch one of them?
I don't know. Coyote? Fox?
How they would get them? They would like have to like
Probably sit in these rocks.
rocks over there, on grass, and sit and
I'm pretty sure that gun shoots like very high, but I used to shoot Browning Satori for doves. Hey, no, sorry, blackbird.
Yeah. Better do now. Got him.
Oh, Drew.
Oh, poison him. Boy, leave it. Leave. Pretty one.
Uh-huh. Way pretty. Oh, wow. Hope if we get these, let's make it count.
Good footage anyway, no.
We got some of them coming. Some of them are going towards Murray's.
I winged one. I winged the Drake, and Thomas, did you just get one?
I got one. I did not shoot very well again.
Hey, there's more up. We may just want to hang tight.
You get one there, Drew?
No, I missed. I was aiming at the one you shot at.
None of them finish out in front of you?
No.
Well, my shooting's a little suspect this morning, but got another pretty drake here. Just magnificent birds. I love the wing feathers on them right here. But we each got one more to shoot. Hopefully we can get a smaller group in here and be able to get out without having to have any of these big groups come in on us. Right here, 2. Who wants?
Hold on, wait, I'll get the camera on. They don't start swimming away.
You want the drake?
Y'all shoot. I'll shoot back up.
Wait.
All right, Drew, you kill the drake. 3, 2, 1.
Did you shoot a third time and get it right?
Someone. Put one more in. I definitely hit her, but it was just a little bit of a poke for that little 28. Good. Leave it. Thank you for that. Good shot.
I guess I don't have to leave. Oh, there's 3 more on top of us. Yeah.
Oh, yep.
All right, well, we're done.
Here comes 3 over the dam. Let's get the fuck out of here.
I was like, if I got to leave with 5, that's fine. Oh, there we go.
Oh, I know. The ones up top? Oh, yeah, I do see those 3. Should I film those coming in?
Yeah, see if we can decoy them real quick and we'll call that good.
Thing went out of focus. This thing keeps going out of focus.
You want to send Wade out there on them? Is there anything cool in there?
Get the one that's still out there, bud. Okay. That was pretty cool.
Way cool. Well, this is a nice one he's bringing back. You shot this one, you and Drew?
Yep. Come on, go back to the field.
Oh, they're not going in.
That first we put in.
Didn't.
It's alright, I mean, they can go back to the roofs.
I still think there may be like piles and piles more in the field. There they go.
Yeah, still with me. Thank you, Mr. Chase.
Just want to touch on a couple things to wrap up this video, but before I do that, I wanted to say that I am going to be in Oshkosh, Wisconsin this coming Saturday for the Wisconsin Waterfowl Expo. I'll be running the DRC Calls booth again there this year. I did this show last year it was an incredible show. So I'd highly recommend coming out if you're in Wisconsin or one of the neighboring states. And if you are at the show, I'd really appreciate if you stop by the DRC booth, try out some calls, and swap some hunting stories. But about this video, the first thing I wanted to touch on was me using a 28 gauge and just kind of my thoughts on the 28 gauge. This was my first time hunting big ducks with the 28 gauge. My only other time hunting waterfowl with the 28 gauge was during teal season. And I'm going to just go out there and say I don't think I have the shot selection yet to be using a 28 gauge on this hunt. As you could probably tell, we had not a lot of wind. When we did have wind, it was kind of swirling, going all over the place. So the birds weren't working in one particular way. We had a lot of birds landing far and such. And I was really testing the range of that 28 gauge. I mean, some of the shots I took were well within range, but there was also quite a few where I was on the edge of that range for the 28 gauge. So I was wishing throughout most of this hunt, I was wishing I had the 12 gauge. It was fun to shoot the 28 gauge. The 28 gauge is a really fun gun to shoot because it's low recoil, swings really easy, but I think unless I know I'm going to have birds decoying in super tight, like timber hole type stuff or something like that, I don't think I'll be using a 28 gauge much over the next couple seasons. And the other thing I wanted to touch on about this hunt was just to say that water motion in this scenario I felt like was the absolute key to this hunt, especially early on in the morning. Just getting those ripples on that still glass water, it made a lot of difference. Later in the morning as the wind picked up, didn't make as much difference, but in the first hour or two, having that motion ducks out on the spread made a huge difference. So if you guys want to pick up a motion ducks, they will be, I'll put a link to them in the description, and I also have a promo code for them in the description. So definitely a piece of gear I would recommend picking up for this season. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the hunt, leave it in the comment section down below. Hope everybody out there is staying safe. God bless, and thanks for watching.